Okay, got some things done this morning. Time to get hot. It's like 92, and it's still pretty early. What time is it? 8:35. I've got the motor mount and the axle tube soldered in to my new chassis. I have something else printing. I didn't understand in the description what it was, but it looks like a boat of some sort. And these are two completed pieces. A shark bottle opener and a spider, and that screwdriver will give you an idea of scale. This came out pretty good. I'm pretty sure it's going to work, and I know how to use it. So we'll try that out the next time I have some bottle pops around. I think when it's done printing, I'm going to wrap it up out here for the morning because it's getting damn hot. Maybe I'll do some work on stuff inside today, and I'll be back out this evening, and maybe I'll update you where we are then. All right, fellas. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time.